Hello everyone, this is SPCS Project Management Consulting. Today, I will present you about Project Logistics Management. Project Logistics Management involves planning, organizing, and managing resources to ensure the successful completion of logistics-related project goals. Here are the key components, methodologies, tools, and best practices. Components of Project Logistics Management. 1. Planning, developing a detailed logistics plan that outlines the transportation, storage, and handling of materials and equipment. 2. Execution, coordinating the movement of goods, managing inventory, and ensuring timely delivery to project sites. 3. Monitoring and control, tracking logistics activities, managing risks, and making adjustments to keep the project on schedule and within budget. 4. Closure, finalizing logistics activities, ensuring all materials are delivered, and closing out logistics contracts. Methodologies for Project Logistics Management. 1. Lean logistics focuses on reducing waste and improving efficiency in logistics processes. 2. Agile logistics emphasizes flexibility and responsiveness to changes in project requirements. 3. Just-in-time (JIT) minimizes inventory costs by delivering materials only when they are needed. 4. Total quality management (TQM) ensures continuous improvement in logistics processes to meet quality standards. Superscript 1. Tools for Project Logistics Management. 1. Transportation Management Systems (TMS) tools like Mercury Gate and Descartes optimize transportation planning and execution. 2. Warehouse Management Systems (WMS) tools like Fishbowl and NetSuite manage inventory and warehouse operations. 3. Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems, tools like SAP and Oracle integrate logistics with other project management functions. 4. Real-time tracking systems, tools like Navisphere provide visibility into the location and status of shipments. Best practices for project logistics management. 1. Develop a comprehensive logistics plan, clearly define logistics requirements, timelines, and responsibilities. 2. Engage stakeholders, involve all relevant stakeholders in the logistics planning process to ensure their needs are met. 3. Leverage technology, use advanced logistics management tools to enhance efficiency and visibility. 4. Implement risk management strategies, identify potential risks and develop contingency plans to mitigate them. 5. Focus on sustainability, incorporate sustainable practices to reduce environmental impact and improve efficiency. Implementing these components, methodologies, tools, and best practices can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your project's logistics management. Do you have a specific aspect of project's logistics management you'd like to explore further? Or need help on leveraging the components, methodologies, tools, and best practices? The gates are open. Contact the SPCS team with the address given below. Phone number, +2 517010111501. Email, spcs5551@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.